I expect from participating in this wonderful project? Well, I think it is a great opportunity, a unique opportunity to understand in deeper way how the energy policy is preparing in the European Union and how it is implementing and what kind of barriers we can observe here.
In particular, to make sure social sciences and humanities are actually represented in the sorts of research and innovation funding decisions that are made at an EU level, to make sure that all of the innovation, all of the exciting policies that happen in Europe are driven by evidence that comes from research that looks at society and understands human needs.
Energy Shifts for Drift is an opportunity to engage with the scientists and policymakers to contribute to the energy transition through social science and humanities.
And this is a really good opportunity for us to connect with researchers and the research that they're producing, like high quality research, and make sure that this is better reflected in, well, policies really, because the social aspects of the transition will be absolutely essential. Understanding it and making sure this is mainstream in everything the EU does in terms of research is essential to make these transitions happen and make them successful.
We see the energy shift as a great opportunity to enhance the role of social science and humanities in energy policymaking, especially related to the set plan. And we think this is urgent, as the challenge we are facing does not only need technological solutions and technological framings. It is equally important to develop the social aspects of energy transition.
We believe that the Energy Shift project is a great opportunity for ERA because we really believe that the social sciences and humanities have a great role to play in the energy transition. And so we want to make sure that the energy research environment, especially related to social sciences and humanities, will have the good access to energy policy and to make this converge really for a better future, for a low carbon future.
For Acento Comunicación, this project is amazing. We think we can really contribute to the challenging task of accelerating the energy transition. This project generates real opportunities of discussion with a wide diversity of voices. And also we have to say that people behind this project are really committed people, hard workers, sensitive people, and we really feel comfortable in Energy Shift team. And we know it will be a very successful project.